Hello. Today I will be unboxing the Adidas IVYPARK Icy Park Super Sleek 72s. I think that's what they're called. I've been searching for a new pair of platform shoes and I came across these. I haven't bought a pair of shoes in almost a year since my New Balances it's an unboxing on those on this channel as well. But these are my second pair of Adidas shoes, my first pair of like IVYPARK anything. So I wanted to record this momentous occasion. There will also be a try-on portion. Let's get into it. I actually purchased these from StockX for a total of $90. The shoes were actually $65, but with processing fees, shipping fees, StockX be racking up the fees. So everything, it started off at $65 for the actual shoe and I ended up paying $90 by the time I got to the confirmation page. So first thing I see is a bright blue Adidas box. Like it's a very pretty icy, should I say, blue. This box is really pretty. It's kind of beat up from transit because these ninjas out here, these male personnel are rough as hell. So yes, it comes in a beautiful blue box. Here are the credentials. I see one of these little stickers on here. It says our price, $99.97. It says Adidas, IVYPARK, whatever that is. Ivy Super Sleek 72, 9.5. Yeah. Let's get into the shoe. First thing I see is this little StockX invoice. This is what I was talking about. As you can see, the shoes themselves were $65, but with all of these fees, I ended up paying $90. All right, first thing you see in the box is a dust bag. It's tan and it ever so faintly says in this really pretty pink Adidas IVYPARK. So super cute that these come in a dust bag. I love shoes that come with dust bag. To me, it symbols like quality. And we have the actual shoes. I don't know why I'm not excited. Usually when I get shoes, I'm so excited, but I think like, I don't know, I feel like I'm a shoe connoisseur now, so I'm not screaming and squealing like I usually am. Okay, first impressions, I'm obsessed. They look so good. They're this really pretty tan color, which I don't have any shoes this color, which was a deciding factor in me getting these. And then of course we got the StockX authenticity thing they put on here. I can tell by this, I'm gonna love these shoes. Look how thick this is. This is what the bottom looks like. Let me get the other shoe out. Comes with tissue paper and then some Adidas yellow tissue paper, tan tissue paper. This is the one that comes with the strap. I don't know if I'm gonna actually wear this because it's so long. If they made it shorter, I would wear it, but it's really long. It just says IVYPARK with the Adidas 3 stripes. So yeah, let's see if they're comfortable. That's kind of my biggest like, these are gonna be my fall and winter shoes if they're comfortable, like every day. Let's get some close-ups. So final verdict on the shoes. These shoes are very comfortable. So like, they're a little big on me, but that's just like, I just need to tighten the laces, and that might just be my fault because I don't know if I wear a 9 or a 9.5. But they're super cute. They're super comfy. The only thing is, and it isn't a bad thing, but this tongue is so long. But I think that's just the style of the shoe. I love them. I love how pointed this is. It's very different for a sneaker in my opinion. And I'm so excited to rock these this fall/winter.